guys, so gani kita karon diri sa Cascades Park. Fish pa no. So diri nga fish pa. This is Natal. Let's go. Atong suwayan ang kumbaga kayak no. So mali ang ato ang bridge guys. So ari sa tadere hay napay tao dira guys. So ito sa tuyokon no. Kung siya ka pindot no. Ang Cascades Nature Park guys, naa sila'y nagtukod sila og balibulan, basketballan, then pwede sa ta mag-soccer diri no, kuhon no, and then may mga kaslon or birthday baron o sa mga okasyon pwede ra diri guys. Alright, so katong mga sa mga city nagpuyo pwede ra mo mulaag diri guys. 1 kilometer gikan sa munisipyo sa Compostela, and then
Cura ka diha. Ako ni off. Ikaw ni off. Cascades.
Guys, o kanian na karon na si Palangga no. Oh, sige didi dira. Ako tandaan, okay. Sige ko tandaan. Right. Bahala yung Christmas. Sige. Hindi mo takaligo kaya ang oras nagdagan. Oh, good luck. Okay, anak. Sige, kumte ang bugsay ni Ma'am City. Okay guys, so karon guys, alayon na kayo siya naabtan guys. Hindi na siya ma-reach. Okay. Lamig kayo guys, isang nagbugsay siya guys. Fresh kong hangin da. Christmas kaya po na siya guys. So, ingana na siya ka, kumbaga, kabutan guys no. Bisan sila lang usa sa isla. Alright, so karon na na siyang picturean. So, salamat kayo no. Kinis ng mga tao mo na yung tawag kukihan. Sila kukihan niya. Kita rin na ninyo sa kuang. Di man ta vlogger no, kuha naman ito. Radyo balita. May atras naman iligid. Okay? Okay na? Lah, so guys, lapad ako tao. So ako, 6 footers ko. So, yun siya is nasa mga butan na lang na to, mga 10 feet ni kalaw mo. Okay, so, padayon tayo mag-upside. Siya naman guys. Handa doon buwan. Guys, so nakakabili sa Cascades. Hindi na madungog ba? Okay guys, nataron sa Cascades Nature Park o ato ang makita no nga naatay kitawag og bridge din tapos naatay ano? Central Island dili bridge. Ako ka ba ang punsa? Karon, wag ito sa bridge. Sakay ka? Lauman mo? Wala kayo nag-yan. 10 footers mo. May mga stickers. Picture daw mo. Ha? Let's go. Pati na kayo siya kuha. So, karoon na ito ng liboto. No? Okay. Thank you and God bless you. Okay guys, so manatag kayak o araw na to ang ilahang bridge, no? So, na sila gitawag og mao ni ang nice diri nga view. Nindot kayo kumbaga Instagrammable. See, asa ka ato nga word Instagrammable. Alright, so makita ang mga tilapia, no? So ang kanang orange nga inyo makita tilapia na siya guys. So natay black nga tilapia sad. Pero makaingon ka ba nga murag koi no, kay actually si koi is kadalasan is orange bang color. And then kapoy ang kayak ay. So nindot ni dire is tambayan, no? So ano siya, ang man-made falls, right? So kung atong sutaon good guys, nindot yun guys siya. Oh. So kung ang tao kabalo mo fishing, ang kinipong langgama o kinsa na sayaw man kana, mag fishing pud sila, di ba? Oh. See? Right? This one, no? I think it's it. Later.
Okay, is it okay?
Yeah, is it okay?
Okay, because we haven't cleaned the inside, is that okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
And then, you probably don't want to use this paddle. This one is just for our guys. I'll give you a different.
Lala.
And very, sporty.
Nice one. Okay.
I'll get you a different paddle up there.
Yeah.
For
Okay.
when you're ready, because you said later, right?
Yeah.
Can you take? Yeah, so later you're welcome to take that boat around. If you come near an edge, just use the oar to hit the edge, not the boat. So yeah, so this is our rental pickup. If you want to actually rent these, you'll go to our bar area.
Bar area.
Yes.
How much?
Our pricing is on our website
Okay,
because I
okay.
can't remember. Some are 150, some are 200 for an hour. So it's better if we just check.
www.cascadesnaturepark.com.
And
Okay.
if you go to our Facebook page, you can find the website on there too.
Okay.
If you don't remember.
Okay guys, nag-tour tano kauban si Ma'am Sydney, no? So kauban na tong pinalanggang. Yeah. So sa pagkaron, ilapan ning gi-andam, no? Kay pag soft opening man ta karong September 15.
Yes.
And then dili sila mo dawat og walk-in, only online reservation guys. Then ang ato ang entrance fee diri sa adult is 200 pesos. Then sa senior citizen and 12 years old, no?
Yeah, 3 to 12.
3 to 12 years old is 160 pesos. Then 2 years old below is free.
And it's 150 for everybody on weekdays. Currently, that's a promotion for our opening.
Okay guys, so kung weekdays mo moari, 150 na lang ang entrance. So mo na ilahang promotion guys. So kung moari mo dire is nice kayo, then relaxing guys. Then tapos doon rag highway.
So our casitas and cabanas are available for rental. The small ones, casitas, can fit up to 6 guests. We do have limitations just due to COVID right now.
Yes.
And those run for 500 for the day, and you actually get to select which one you want. So when you make your reservation online, within 24 hours we send a email to confirm, and that's where you'll pick which one. The large ones can fit up to 10, and for those ones, they are 1,000 for the day. We automatically, with our entry, include table and chair in our poolside pavilion, and those are not to be moved because we're going to put them socially distanced. But if you do not want that add-on, once again, it's complimentary, then you can opt out and you can picnic where you'd like on our grass areas.
Okay. Okay guys, so maano to no? So subtract ninyo. Okay.
just walk you through our pool facilities.
Yeah.
And then from there, let me know if you have any questions, and then you can keep doing what you were doing of walking around.
Yeah.
And we do not have overnight accommodation.
Only 5 p.m. 5 p.m.
Yeah, our business hours are 9 to 5.
No.
Day use only.
Okay guys, so mag-open ta dire is alas 9 sa buntag. Then closing ta is alas 5 sa hapon. So
7 days a week.
7 days a week, no? So pagkakaroon na guys kay tungod kinaapatay COVID, no?
Over here, these guys are playing with our lawn games, which we'll have for rent.
Ah,
So they are American games, but we'll have the instructions, and they're a lot of fun, guys. So this one is our bocce ball, and so it's a weighted ball, and the goal is you play in a team. The white ball is the target, and someone throws, and you try and get your ball as close as possible, and there's a point system. This one is called cornhole. Two opposite teams, and the goal is to throw the beanbag.
oh.
And if you get it on the board, it's a certain point. I think it's 1 point.
One
And
point.
inside the hole is 3, and you play till 25 or 21. Yeah.
Okay.
So this facility is our a rental for events, and it will be ready not by September 15th, but by end of October.
End of October.
And then this is just for drop off, and also if someone has an event and wants valet, that's what this cabana is for.
Kabado.
Cascades actually got its name off of cascading water, and so we have 4 waterfalls, so that's where the name came from.
Ah, okay. Now I know. No.
The green is duckweed, that's what we use organic to feed our fish.
Ah, organic. Good. Susunod ani guys is magkayak
So
ta.
when you're ready to shoot this area, we'll
Yeah.
turn on the waterfall and stuff for you.
Hmm.
This will be finished by Tuesday. All the construction will be removed, the stuff.
This is a bar.
This is the pavilion, so all these
Pavilion.
tables and chairs will be in here. That is our bar and grill. We'll be serving food and drinks. Our food policy is that you can bring outside food, keep nature clean, so you just need to bring all the trash you take with you. We'll have a designated grilling area, so you can bring your own, but you have to use theirs.
Yes.
And then, other than that, the only thing we don't allow you to bring is your own alcohol, but we will have here.
Yeah.
The booth next to that is we might have some display cabinets for, sunscreen, the necessities. But otherwise, for events, we really intend it for DJ or catering, so it's off to the side for you to use, the one with all the chairs. This wall is there in case you want to have a projector for your event, because you can actually exclusively rent out this whole park, half day or full day, no public access, and so this is kind of our main accommodation for a large wedding or team building event. Behind the wall is male and female restrooms.
Yeah.
And then we also have more here. I don't know if you looked over here yet, but this is the tour I normally do.
Is it okay? Ah, this is a shower.
So here is our outdoor shower. We expect you to use this before entering the pool, and then you're allowed to use it after, before you change if you want. But we have 4 showers. They're pretty spaced, so you can still social distance and plenty for everyone.
Okay.
This is our hand and foot wash station. So if you go in the grass and you have grassy feet or something, you can rinse here. Kid size, adult size. These ones you have to turn, but we do have one automated for those who do not want to touch the faucet. And then everything else is also automated.
Okay.
These
Okay.
We'll just wait. Someone's in there, but otherwise we can video in there if you want. Is anyone in that woman's?
No.
So this is, all of our bathrooms also have sinks, soap, hand dryer, and this is the female side, 3 stalls, and we will be providing tissue.
Okay.
I think there's the lights in this one, I'm not sure, let's see. Maybe it's over here.
This is the switch. Okay guys, so tulo ang CR dere guys. Okay.
And then, these are our changing rooms, and we have actually 5 of them, so plenty for guests to change in and out of their
This one.
bathing suit.
Okay.
And then these might not always be open, but we do have private showers here in the back. Might mainly be used when we eventually allow camping, but for now, maybe on less slow days we might not open it. It just depends. But it's there, so I'm letting you know.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah, so this is Cascades. So what do you think?
Okay guys, so ato arong doawon ang atong fish pan, no? Okay. Mao ni siya. Mao ni siya ang ato ang mamingwita mo na itong kaon. Okay guys, so ang kini is pwede na tamag fishing diri, no? Then tapos natay gitawag og hanging bridge. Alright.